Greetings and welcome. Now we will discuss about the instruments for basic engineering drawing. If you want your drawing to be accurate, make sure you procure some good quality drawing instrument because the quality and accuracy of a drawing depends on the quality of the instrument. To prepare a drawing, we need some drawing instruments. These are some of the instruments that a student need to use. We'll discuss a little bit about this. I think we'll discuss about drawing board, Tsquare and Minidrafter, Tsquare, pencil, divider and compass, protractor and drawing sheet, and maybe a little bit about French curve. I think I need not explain all the instrument at this point of time. Now the drawing board. Drawing board provides a flat and smooth surface on which the drawing sheet is fixed. A drawing board is generally made of soft wood. This is a wooden drawing board and this is the drawing sheet. The working edge of the drawing board is generally kept at the left side of the drawing board where the T-square can slides. So this T-square can slides this way on the working edge of the drawing board. Working edge of the drawing board is generally kept at the left side where the T-square can slides. There are many standard sizes of drawing board as per international standard institution, and these are the designated sizes of drawing boards like D0, D1, D2 and D3. The size is given, the specification is on the length, width and thickness of the drawing board. So all these dimensions are in millimeter. So D0 size drawing board means the length is 1500 millimeter, width is 1000 millimeter and thickness of the board is 25 millimeter. Now T-square. T-square is generally made of hardwood. There are two parts of the T-square. One is the stalk of the T-square. This is called the stalk of the T-square and this is called the blade of the T-square. Both stalk and the blade are joined at right angle to each other as shown in the diagram. The top edge of the blade is used as working edge. That means to draw anything we can use the top edge of the T-square. To draw a horizontal lines you can use the working edge of the T-square. This working edge is used to draw horizontal lines only, like this. So this way we can draw a horizontal lines with the help of a pencil and a T-square. Square can be used to draw inclined lines or vertical lines taking T-square as the base. And like drawing boards, T-square are also have some standard sizes as per ISI. And the sizes of the T-square is given on the basis of length of the working edge. So these are designated like T0, T1, T2, T3 and so on. So the T0 size set square means the length of the working edge of the set square is 1500 millimeter and it may be plus minus 10 millimeter also. Minidrafter. Minidrafter is a substitute of the T-square. So Minidrafter is extensively used by the students in place of Tsquare. It is clamped at the top edge of the board. this is the clamping position generally. The L-shaped scale is used as the working edge. So this is the L-shaped scale. It is used as the working edge. And this L-shaped scale can be rotated to any desired angles with the help of these locking knobs. It can be rotated. Moreover, it can be moved to any desired position of the drawing board. The scale can be moved to any position within the drawing board. So at this present position, the working edge is in horizontal position. So you can draw both horizontal and vertical lines at this position. Like this, you can see, we can use the horizontal line like this. This is horizontal line. With the help of a pencil, we can draw by using the horizontal part of the L-shaped scale. Similarly, we can draw vertical lines by using the vertical part of the L-shaped scale. Now, if we move this locking knob and rotate this L-shaped scale, say it is now in this angle with the drawing board. So at this angle, if we draw a line like this, that means we can draw a inclined line, and that inclination can be recorded from these graduated knobs. Here the angular graduations are there, so accordingly we can set that angle and we can draw the inclined line at that particular angle. Moreover, this can be taken to any position, say at this position, also it can be brought. So if we need a line at this position, we can draw the line. So to summarize, we can say with the help of a Minidrafter, we can draw vertical line, we can draw horizontal line, we can draw inclined lines without using the Tsquare. But in case of a Tsquare, the Tsquare can be used to draw horizontal line only, but to draw inclined lines or vertical line, we have to use the Tsquare at the same time. Tsquare. There are two types of Tsquares. Actually, Tsquare is available in a pair. One is 30° 60° Tsquare and the other is called the 45° Tsquare. This Tsquare, this angle is 30° and this angle is 60°. So this is called 30° 60° Tsquare, and this Tsquare has, this angle is 45° and this angle is also 45°. So this is called 45° Tsquare. Tsquare are generally available with graduated scale at 2 ends like this. It may be in millimeter. 45° Tsquare may have the protector also. So this is the protector along with the Tsquare. Tsquares can be used to draw inclined and parallel lines. Horizontal lines are generally drawn by Tsquare. Suppose we say line 1, when we want to draw a line 2 which is parallel to line 1. So to do that, we can use this Tsquares. For that, we have to draw the line 1 first, then we'll keep this Tsquare in this position and we have to fix this Tsquare at this position. And after fixing it with one of our hand, we can slide the second Tsquare as per requirement. Say we'll draw a line parallel to this above line, then for that we can slide the Tsquare like this to the required position, and now we can draw the line parallel to the previous one by using our pencil like this. Two Tsquares can be used to draw inclined lines by using both the Tsquare. Suppose we want to draw a line at an angle of 75 degree, and for that we can use these two set square. We know this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So 30 plus 45 degree is 75 degree. So we can draw a line at an angle of 75 degree. For that we have to draw the first line. This is the first line, and we can draw a line, this second line, at an angle of 75 degree. Similarly, if we want to draw a line at an angle of 105 degree, then this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 60 degree. So total this angle will be equal to 105 degree. Say this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So the total angle will be equal to 120 degree if we draw like this. This way we can draw an angle of a line at an angle of 120 degree. One more example. This is 45 degree and this is 90 degree. So the total is 135 degree. We can draw line. Say this is the first line. We want to draw a line at an angle of 135 degree. That we can do with the help of both this set square. This way, by using the set square, we can draw some angles, but not all the angles. So let us recap the usage of set square. Set squares can be used to draw all straight lines except the horizontal lines, because horizontal lines are generally drawn with T-square. And we can also draw perpendicular lines or lines at 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree by using single set square. But if we use both the set square, we can also draw lines at angle of 15 degrees, 75 degree, 105 degree and 135 degree also. You can also draw parallel and perpendicular lines to any given lines. Now, if we use adjustable set square, which is a special set square, we can draw parallel, perpendicular and inclined lines with ease, speed and accuracy. Let us see how it can be done. So this is an adjustable set square. So the angles can be adjusted over here by using this locking nut. Now if we draw the first line, say this is the first line, and by adjusting the angle we can draw the second line like this. So finally we get two lines at an angle of the adjusted angle, say theta. So these are some important points. These questions may be asked based on these things. Usage of set square, say true and false. Say with the help of two set square, we can draw lines at an angle of 75 degree, true or false. That type of questions may be asked in the form of objective type question, true or false, fill in the blanks or MCQ type question. Now let us understand how to use T-square and set square. So this is the working edge of the drawing board. This is the drawing board and this is the drawing sheet. This T-square can slide along the working edge of the drawing board like this. It can go up and down, and if we want to draw a horizontal line with the help of a T-square in a particular position, we have to take the T-square to that required position. Say we want to draw a horizontal line like this. So we'll take the T-square to that position, and at this position we can draw the horizontal line with the help of a pencil like this. So the use of T-square is to draw horizontal line only. Now if we want to draw a vertical line, we have to use the set square and use the T-square as the base. At this position, we can draw a vertical line using this edge like this, and also we can draw a inclined line at this angle, which is equal to 180 minus 60 degree, because this is 60 degree. Similarly, we can draw lines parallel to these lines also by sliding the set square to any required position. We can use the vertical side or the inclined side to draw parallel lines parallel to the previous lines. If we want to draw lines at an angle of 45 degree, then we can use this 45 degree set square. We can fix the set square in the required position and draw the required lines at the required angles. So if we use this one, then this is equal to 45 degree angle, and for this it is equal to 180 minus 45 degree angle. So this way we can draw the required angles with the help of set square and T-square. This is our drawing board along with the set square and T-square. Now coming to the pencil. Pencils are used to prepare a drawing on the sheet. The accuracy and appearance of drawing also depends upon the quality of the pencil used. Pencils are of various grades ranging from 9H to 7B, pencils of 9H, 8H, 7H and so on, and from this side 6B, 7B, 6B, 5B and so on. That is from hardest to the softest according to ISI. This hardness may be HB, H, twice H and B. These pencils are enough for the students of engineering college, I think so. So they can also use micro tip lead pencils of 0.5 millimeter thick lead. These are extensively used by the students. Compass and divider. We all know compass is used for drawing circles and arcs of circles, say required size. And divider is used for many purposes. So first say to divide, dividers are used to divide straight or curved lines into desired number of equal parts. So for example, say we have a line and we want to divide it in equal parts. Then it can be done with the help of a divider. This divider can be set to the required distance or dimension, and accordingly this divider can be used to divide these lines. Next, to transfer dimensions from one part to another part of the drawing. Suppose this is another line, and here from this line, from line number 1 to line number 2, we want to transfer some dimensions. So this is the dimensions. Say x, y is the dimension. The same dimensions, if we want to transfer it to line number 2, then we can use a divider, and accordingly we can mark this point x and y over here also, say x dash and y dash. So this way also we can use divider to transfer dimensions. Next, to set of given distance from the scale to the drawing. This transfer of this distance can also be done from a scale. Say for this line number 3, we want to set some distance, say 1 to 2, and that distance can be taken from the scale, say from 11 to 15. This is the distance, and this distance we can take directly from the divider, and that can be used to distance from the scale to the drawing also. Now, protractors. Protractors are used for measuring or constructing angles which cannot be done with the set squares. So the protectors helps the graduation for the angles from 0 to 180 degree, or also for 360 degree protectors are also available. Suppose we want to draw a line, say this is line number 1, and we want to draw a line 2 and say at an angle of 35 degree. So to do that, we have to first mark one point, say O, at this position, and the point A at this position, which is equal to 35 degree with line A. So we mark this point A, and suppose we want another line OB at an angle of say 130 degree, and this is at an angle of 35 degree. So we mark this point B and point A with using the protectors, and this point is already located, and this is the given line. So by using the protectors, we first locate point A and point B. Now we will remove the protectors and join the point OA. Like this we can join. So this is at an angle of 130 degree. So this angle is 130 degree. And if we join the line point OA, then we will get the line at an angle of 35 degree with the previous with the given line. So this way we can use protectors to draw lines at any angles, and we can also measure the angles of existing lines which refers to some other line. French curve. These are patterns or templates made of flexible material, and these are generally transparent. And French curves are used for drawing curves, lines and circular arcs. So by using French curves, we can draw these types of curves, this type of curves that are available with the French curves, and very easily we can do it, and it takes very less time. Drawing sheets. I think this is the most important thing to know about the drawing sheets. Drawing sheets or drawing papers are available in many sizes. And the designation of the sizes are like this: A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, etc. depending upon the size of the drawing sheets. So this is the length and width of the drawing sheets. These dimensions are in millimeter. This is as per ISI. And a typical layout of drawing sheet containing frames, title blocks, space for text and other information is given here. So this is the space for drawing, and this is the title block of the drawing sheet. And as per ISI, this should be 170 by 65, the title block. And the horizontal part and vertical part of the drawing sheet are given some grid reference. These are 1, 2, 3 horizontally, and vertically it is generally alphabetical A, B, C, D, etc. The block or nameplate is placed in the bottom right hand corner of the drawing sheet. Okay, this is the bottom right hand corner of the drawing sheet. The title block or nameplate, which is located at the bottom right hand corner, should contain these informations: name of the organization, it may be the name of the institute also, the title of the drawing, and drawing sheet number, scale on which the drawing is prepared, symbol for the angle of projection that we will discuss later, the first angle or third angle projection, initials of designing and issuing officers or authority, and any other informations. It may be the material also, the center of gravity also, it may be also the mass density, and so on. All this information should be there in the nameplate section. So For the sake of demonstration only, I have drawn a drawing of a drawing board. So this is the drawing sheet, and this drawing board is drawn. This is the isometric view, and from here if we see, it is the top view, and this top view is represented here. And if we look at from the front side, then it is the front view, and this is front view. And if we look at from the side, then this is called the side view. And these are the dimensions, and this is actually A2 size drawing sheet. So as per ISI, the A2 size drawing sheet grid reference number of grids should be 12, 1 to 12 in the horizontal side, and in the vertical side the number of grids should be 8. That means A, B, C up to H. And this is the nameplate, in which all the information, some informations are given. Say title is, say, drawing board. This is the drawing number, and this is, say, scale used, and all other information can be filled if required. So this is for the sake of demonstration only. I think this is enough for the drawing instruments. In the next video, we'll discuss about the lines. This is very important. The drawing is represented by lines, and for the lines we have to stick to the codes, conventions fixed by ISI. That means Bureau of Indian Standards. So accordingly, we have to draw and use the specific lines as per the code. So thank you. We'll discuss about the lines in the next video.